Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a leaked mythical epic, so let's get into the video. Alright, so a new Buzzra variant was just found, so we are going to go ahead and look at that. Alright, so we can see right here that an Ice Buzzra variant was just found by first mate Philip, and this is what it looks like. It's ice themed, kind of looks like what Glimmerwing looked like. But it shouldn't be a Glimmerwing, because that wouldn't make sense. And also here is Buzzra for a reference. So it has similar antennas as Buzzra, similar eyes, similar claws. It basically looks a lot like it. So here it is in the game files to get a little better look at it. It's kind of like a pattern on its mane. And it's pink, purple, and white. So, I actually just finished filming the outro, and I go back onto the Prodigy wiki to get a thumbnail, or get the picture for the thumbnail, and there are two leaked Summerfest pets. So, this is the first one. It looks kind of weird, kind of like a mushroom, or maybe an umbrella. This one looks like an umbrella. So, it has like a weird mouth that's sort of open. It has hands, or I'm not sure what you would call these, that are on its face. And then we have this one, which looks like an umbrella. It has some eyes looking this way. And yeah, they look sort of weird. I think these will be water types. These should be coming in Sprint or Summerfest. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some other stuff, because there's some stuff I haven't shown, but there is out there. We have a emoji buddy, which looks like this. It has triangle eyes, and it looks like it's laughing. We have this, which looks like a firefly, sort of. Someone says that it looks a little bit like the Gyrofroom mythical epic variant we're getting, which looks like this. Here is the member box for June of 2023. We have a brown cat, which has been leaked for a while. It's not in the game, though, for hackers, of course. We have this Luminite dog pen, or doghouse, and some member works, and they got rid of potions, actually, so I'm assuming this is what they're going to be doing from now on instead of potions. And then here are some pet spines. So we have the member box mimic, which I like. These are ones that have already been added into the game. And then we have the mythical epic, or the variant of Vegabloom, which I think will be probably a shadow type. So yeah, that should be all I have. But that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.